Hi friends, I'm Sapna Agarwal, Creative Director at Ansa Interiors, and today we are at Sapna Kitchens and we have Vanna ji with us, who's the Business Development Manager here. Hi Vanna ji.
Hello.
I think आपके साथ मुझे काम करते हुए बहुत साल हो गए. बहुत साल हो गए. And in this duration, you have changed and matured, but I think बहुत 13-14 साल से हमारा साथ है. Almost.
Definitely.
And it's been such nice working with you. And I think we wanted to look at all the products that you offer and show our viewers also.
Sure.
So I think your major bouquet is kitchens, wardrobes and doors.
Yes.
So we'll start with kitchens today.
Sure. This side kitchens, that side wardrobes. So we can start one by one.
Yeah. So let us know. इस kitchen में क्या special है और आप क्या offer करते हैं?
Sure. So this is the island kitchen. Huge island is displayed here in 3 segments.
Okay.
This is countertop with storage, that is for dining or breakfast counter you can say, and that side is a cooking with island.
Okay.
So we have good features, furniture lightings are displayed here, which are giving good look in the kitchen.
So वो एक Indian सी light आ जाती है, nice light जो थोड़ा सा एक mood effect ले आती है.
Right. These days, people ask for more, and definitely this has a good view, luxury view after LED lights. So kitchen looks more interesting, luxurious.
And what about these? जैसे ये तो सारे laminum के shutters हैं.
Yes, ये सब laminum के shutters हैं. 3 mm पतली सी laminum आता है. हम प्रोफाइल में इसको पेस्ट करके फैब्रिकेट करते हैं.
Okay.
And shutters की बात करते हैं तो that side is glass shutters with Italian profile.
Yeah.
And top and bottom of this cabinet is laminate. These 2 cabinets is having laminate.
Okay.
Laminate.
और ये आपके इनबिल्ट जितने भी appliances हैं.
Inbuilt appliances.
Okay. But inbuilt appliances आप कौन सी कंपनी के डील करते हैं?
We have Siemens one, and we have ASCO, that is by Hafele, and Elica, CAF, Faber. These are few brands we do, and we have Bosch also.
Okay. And what about other kitchens that you offer?
Other kitchens, we have solid wood kitchens. A traditional look kitchen will go one by one. Then we have contemporary, we have what do you call, matte finish kitchen, glass finish kitchens.
So I think we'll go and have a look at your next kitchen now.
Sure, sure. Please let's move.
So now I think ये सारी की सारी आपकी जितनी kitchens है ये PU में है.
ये वाला
finish?
हाँ जी, matte finish and
Okay.
glossy both mix.
अच्छा, both have been displayed together.
Right, right.
So इसमें तो I think there is a huge range of colors that is a possibility.
Yeah. There are many.
What about profiles?
Profiles are all Italian profiles. They comes in mill finish.
Okay.
So we make the color, matching color. The
Okay.
one you select, let's say this is brownish or whitish or beigeish, we match it.
You'll match the
Yes,
profile.
yes.
So I think वो आपकी USP है because ज़्यादातर मार्केट में जो profiles है बड़े standard colors में मिलती हैं.
वो स्टैंडर्ड मिलते हैं. ये हमारे पास किसी भी कलर से हम इसको कर सकते हैं. दिस इज रियली इंटरेस्टिंग एंड मेनी पीपल अप्रिशिएट ऑल्सो.
Okay. And what are the other features of this kitchen?
Well, we have one tall cabinet that is called ladder. It has 4 equal basket and one is a little thinner. So this is called pantry. And
It's customizable. मतलब हम जितने मर्जी size की drawers ले लें और जो मर्जी कर लें.
no, it has 600 and next is 900.
अच्छा, okay.
900 double shutter would be double door,
Okay.
and 600 will be one door. Okay.
Okay.
So, and then we have one corner cabinet which has really different pull out. This is called corner pull out. Yeah.
Okay.
This we can go up to any numbers, but preferably 4 are practical.
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah, we can.
And then we can combine it with wood. We can combine different
Open
colors.
cabinets, glass
Yeah.
profiles are also matched with the PU
So
color.
PU के साथ आपने match की हुई glass profile
जी,
colors हैं, so that it looks like one part of the kitchen.
Right.
And the whole thing about the sink, ये जितनी आपकी cabinet होती है, ये सारी water resistant है.
This time this is waterproof because we have used a aluminum frame kitchen.
Okay.
So we have 2 segments for the carcass.
Okay.
Cabinetry we have 2. One is waterproof ply we make. The other one is we make in aluminum structure.
Okay.
That gives you complete termite proof and waterproof. I can show you a little example of the cabinet.
अच्छा. Okay.
This is completely aluminum frame. Yeah.
Okay.
This is we give you a lifetime warranty.
Okay. So हम जितने भी आपके sink units हैं उसको aluminium cabinets में भी बना
कर
सकते
सकते
हैं.
हैं. ऑलरेडी हम लोग उसी में प्लान करते हैं सिंक को.
अच्छा.
To make it best quality, even if client don't ask, we make sure it should be a waterproof and termite proof.
Okay. Very nice. What else do you have to offer?
Let's move in our other kitchen. Different other materials are there, so I'll show you one by one.
Okay. What about this interesting island kitchen with a very different countertop?
Well, for the countertop we have Caesar stone.
Okay.
And these are having 13 mm thick, but
Okay.
we make it a little broad nose to give you a broad look.
Okay.
And it has about 30 to 35 colors.
Okay.
And
Scratch resistant, scratch proof.
scratch proof, stain proof, and they give you a good service as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about the glass shutters
This
that
is-
you're offering?
Yeah, this is lacquer glass shutter. So we have PU RAL color, any number, say about 150 colors we can give you.
Okay.
So any color you pick from RAL color, we can make shutter, lacquer glass shutter in that color.
Okay.
So we have many more color available in this.
Horizon बहुत wide हो गया ना, like this is an inbuilt fridge.
Yes, this is an inbuilt fridge.
Okay. Interesting. So एकदम से camouflage भी हो गया fridge उसके अंदर.
जी.
और हमारा horizon भी बहुत wide हो गया because then mix and match possibilities बहुत हो जाती है. Like
जी.
you have mixed glass with veneer here.
Yeah.
And then जो हमने पिछली किचन देखी थी उसमें मैट और ग्लॉस मिक्स
Matte और gloss mix था.
तो हम कुछ भी कॉम्बिनेशन बना के एक डिफरेंट सा एलिमेंट ला सकते हैं.
डेफिनेटली कर सकते हैं. हैंडल डिटेल थोड़ा सा मैं आपको यहाँ समझा देती हूँ. It has a different detailing. That was different. So it has different detailing for handle. And appliances. This is combi machine. That was oven, microwave. This is combi, this is coffee machine. So as per client's requirement, we make the design and present them as per their requirement.
Okay, very nice. And what else?
In this kitchen, one different thing is there.
Yeah.
I'd like to show you. So this counter, we're talking about Caesarstone by Heffele. It has one beautiful feature that we can make same sink also.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
So it will just become like one smooth part.
Absolutely. And one more thing, Heffele is having different color range of taps. You can match the colors of tap also.
Of the faucet with
Yes.
the countertop.
With the countertop. Yes.
Interesting.
Yeah. This is definitely different. And here we haven't used tiles. This is glass again.
Okay.
So generally people also what they do Caesarstone in L shape in the dado also to give you one single
To one single
look,
Because
right.
हम अपनी किचन्स में भी बहुत ज़्यादा ये करते हैं कि जो हमारा काउंटर टॉप होता है उसी को हम वॉल पे डैडो पे ले जाते हैं तो बहुत नीट लुक देता है.
नीट लुक देता है. इसके ग्रूव्स कम आते हैं
हाँ.
बिकॉज शीट्स काफ़ी लंबे लंबे आते हैं 10-10 फुट आते हैं तो इसके ग्रूव्स
बहुत सुंदर लगता है ये.
जी.
Correct. What is the next kitchen that we can look at? Then what about this laminate kitchens? I think ये थोड़ी सी इकोनॉमिकल वर्जन होगा.
यस सपना जी, ये इकोनॉमिकल वर्जन है और हमने थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट सीमेंटेड लुक वाला लैमिनेट पसंद किया है इसके लिए बिकॉज लैमिनेट जब भी हम डिस्कस करते हैं तो बहुत सारे वुड ग्रेन्स और उस टाइप के फील आता है बट दिस इज टोटली डिफरेंट लैमिनेट एंड हैविंग डिफरेंट हैंडल डिटेलिंग अगेन. So these are all pull-outs, all Blum fittings are done here.
Okay.
You can pick and choose from 2-3 brands.
Accessories तो हम कुछ भी लगा लें आपके.
Accessories जी.
जी. कोई end ही नहीं है. It's an endless process.
जी. आजकल ड्रॉर्स ज़्यादा बहुत अच्छे ड्रॉर्स आने लगे हैं उसके अंदर आप कोई भी
ड्रॉर्स हम एक और ले सकते हैं लाइक जैसे ये है इसमें मसाला आ जाएगा और नीचे आपके बाकी चीज़ें आ जाए तो थोड़ा कंफर्टेबल हो जाता है. आई थिंक इस टाइम पे ड्रॉर्स ज़्यादा यूज़ होती हैं बिकॉज ईजी भी होती है, कन्वीनियंट भी होती है. पुल किया, सामान निकाल लिया, झुकना नहीं पड़ता बिल्कुल भी. बट इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कंसेप्ट.
Yes. So you can have deep drawers, shallow drawers. So let's.
Smaller drawers.
Yes,
Whatever.
yes.
Your choice.
Yes.
True. And, what about this?
This is again lacquer glass.
Okay.
So we had design in small specs like let's say 6 pieces.
So इंटरेस्टिंग सा पैटर्न बन गया.
Yes.
squares का.
स्क्वायर का डिफरेंट बन गया एंड इसके साथ में हैंडल इसमें ही इनबिल्ट है. सो दिस शटर इज लिटिल लॉन्गर देन द कैबिनेट.
Seamless हो गया ना.
या एंड लाइट.
डिजाइन यूनिट भी आ गया.
जी.
True. We'll also like to look at that electronic shutter.
Yeah, let's go that side.
What about electronic shutter that we were talking about that I told you मुझे तो देखना ही है.
Okay, this is, we call it rolling shutter in our language. So it rolls up and comes down. This is particularly made for small electrical items to keep in one place. Rehau company का आता है. जी. It has color, other color available also.
Okay. And what are the sizes available?
Sizes is 600 and next is 900. This one is 900.
Okay.
And we use Kasem Boomer accessories.
Okay.
So this is a little different in one tower. So everything will be visible. So this is
Lavido.
600. Yes,
Yeah.
Lavido for 600 mm cabinet.
Okay. Nice. I think ये warmer drawers अब बड़े कॉमन होते जा रहे हैं क्योंकि इसकी यूटिलिटी अब शायद समझ आनी शुरू हो गई है. अब ये कुछ और मुझे somehow ये बहुत कंफर्टेबल लगते हैं. खाना बनाया, रख दिया और फिर उसके
right.
बाद वैसे उसी टेम्परेचर पे मेंटेन होता है.
और इसमें भी 2 साइजेस आते हैं. ये मतलब 300 mm वाला, एक आता है 150 mm वाला. सो कभी आपको ओवन और माइक्रोवेव का लेवल मैच करना हो सो माइक्रोवेव के नीचे आप इसको 150 वाला डाल देते हैं. सेम साइजेस के दिखते हैं फिर बाहर से गिव्स अ गुड लुक.
And you also have a very nice equipment.
Dishwasher, yes.
Dishwasher. Please.
This is a dishwasher, 14 plate setting dishwasher. So we have tried our best to give you all seamless kitchen having all built-in appliances. So this is
Because
how
I think COVID में इसकी बड़ी याद आई.
हाँ जी सपना जी, बहुत सारे लोग डिशवॉशर के लिए वेटिंग लिस्ट में भी थे.
अरे वाह.
हाँ
So
जी.
we go to other things now.
Yeah.
And now this is your traditional kitchen.
हाँ जी सपना जी.
And I think this is like something which never goes out of fashion.
Yes, out of let's say out of 10 clients, 2 clients definitely comes of this taste. So आज भी इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा demand है, people enjoy it and
ये ना एक्चुअली ऐसे ओल्ड वर्ल्ड फील ले आती है ना एकदम से, जैसे दादाजी की हवेली में गए थे वहाँ पे थी तो आज हमारे घर पे भी है.
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं. मेरे क्लाइंट्स तो कहते हैं उनको थोड़ा ब्रिटिश लुक फील होता है तो डेफिनेटली अच्छा लगता है. हैंडल्स भी हमने उसके साथ थोड़ा मैच
And
किया.
even the designs, how you've designed it using these very small drawers, utilizing the space, tea, coffee के लिए, sugar के लिए.
हाँ जी.
And what is this?
This is a uplifter.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
Nice. But it's pretty smooth.
Because of Blum fitting.
Blum in all
Blum,
cases, I
yeah.
think बहुत
Uplifter are very good. Yeah.
बहुत
Drawers.
अच्छी fittings provide करते हैं.
Day by day it is improving.
Yeah. And what is the speciality in this kitchen? Any special accessory that you have used here?
Yes, I can show you one accessory which is called, if you want to extend your counter, if you have really less space, you can use it for the breakfast counter or cutting, chopping, multi-purpose counter.
Okay.
This is one thing.
मतलब ये तो extended counter हो गया, तो जब नहीं चाहिए उसके बाद हमने इसे बंद कर दिया.
बंद कर दिया.
And it's pretty smooth.
Yeah.
It's pretty smooth.
बिल्कुल. Other feature is let's say counter is going up to 24 inches. We have increased 4 inches more.
Okay.
So to give you little traditional look of kitchen, but at the same time we have used more depth channel.
अच्छा.
So ये भी बहुत कम लोगों को knowledge है और पर मिलते हैं प्लम में.
Okay.
जी.
Okay. Very nice.
So ये
And
feature
you've
है.
also given this very nice shutters which can conceal your chimney.
Yeah, inbuilt chimney ही inbuilt आते हैं to give you a concealed look.
Very nice. So that at least वो camouflage कर जाता है पूरी किचन के अंदर और पूरा एक universally uniform look आ जाता है.
जी.
Very nice, very interesting. I mean इसके साथ ना पूरी की पूरी जो ये shutters के साथ पूरी एक look camouflage कर जाती है और बहुत bind कर जाता है ये design.
जी.
और क्या स्पेशलिटी है इस किचन में? आई सी दिस वेरी नाइस chandelier and you have some very beautiful work done on the panels.
Yes, सपना जी हमने इसके साथ एक और कलर कॉम्बिनेशन दिया and this the island combination is matched with the ceiling and we have one door. Yes, the door is also matching. So this is the combination of this color, walnut color and natural patina color.
Okay, very nice, very beautiful. I think इतना बाइंड कर गया पूरी किचन को कि ये ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा कि ये अलग कलर था, ये ऐसा लग रहा है इसी का पार्ट ही है कहीं पे.
जी, ये थोड़ा सा ट्रेडिशनल लुक में ये जब आ जाता है तो फिर इसको कंप्लीट जस्टिफाई करता है.
Yeah, true. Let's look at other kitchens
Sure,
now.
sure.
And I think ये मेरी सबसे फेवरेट किचन है क्योंकि ये मैं बनवा चुकी हूँ.
अच्छा.
और I think I just loved it how the shutters are done in solid wood और इतनी 19 mm thickness में आपने wood use की हुई है and it just looks seamless. ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कहीं पे कोई joint दिया है. It's so pretty to look at. And then I also use this, which is a very interesting feature that you have. ये जो shutter आपका roll up होके ऊपर चला जाता है.
जी.
And then those lights that emerge from this point. I think everything about it is beautiful. And I have also used this. So
Okay.
I'm super excited about this kitchen. जिसमें ये slide हो जाते हैं. So there are a lot of features that this kitchen has to offer.
जी.
And I think this also for that matter, जो आपने accessories लगाई हुई हैं, इसमें हम multi-purpose चीजें हो सकती हैं. जैसे we have this roller thing here, जिसमें हम अपना cling sheets लगा सकते हैं या हम अपने foil paper को लगा सकते हैं. Then oil और tea, coffee and customizable.
जी.
So I think बहुत सारी चीजें आप customize कर देते हो हमारे लिए.
बिल्कुल सपना जी, जैसे मॉड्यूलर किचन में कस्टमाइजेशन जब तक ना हो 100% फिल नहीं हो पाता, गैप रह जाते हैं, इसीलिए कस्टमाइजेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
ट्रू. और एक आपका ये शटर है ना जिसको आप टच करते हैं और ये अपने आप खुल जाता है.
हाँ जी.
Which is so interesting. Because ज़्यादातर घरों में आज भी हमारे हाउस होल्ड हेल्प्स ही काम करती हैं और सबकी हाइट इतनी नहीं होती. तो थोड़ा सा कंफर्टेबल रहता है अगर हमें कोई ऐसी चीज मिल जाए.
बिल्कुल.
And the way lights are used, the way And
Furniture
this-
lights are also there. Furniture light, as in moment you open the door,
Okay.
there are lights.
Okay. Very interesting. Very pretty. And then you have used a sink also,
Sink, yes.
which is in quartz.
Quartz. This is also by Hefele, and matching faucet is also there.
So now in sink you offer quartz, stainless steel, and you can do it in the same stone that you told me, Caesar stone. So there are a lot of varieties that you offer.
Definitely, because there are different clients. They have different workout. Already they have worked out so much, and they know so much. They have so much of knowledge. So they themselves ask us to get it done this way or that way. So we have an option. We tell them. Yes.
But thank you, Vandaji. Thank you for being with us today. And it was such a knowledgeable trip about the kitchens.
Oh.
And now we are also going to talk to you about wardrobe.
Sure, कर लेते हैं.